So today we're going to talk about treating the QL muscle, which is around about here. What you'll need for this is a tennis ball. Anything firmer than that will be quite tender. It's one of those muscles which, if you put too much pressure on it, can be really, really painful. So what we're going to do, take the tennis ball, place it where the QL is. We're going to treat it from a 45-degree angle. So we're going to lay on our back and then turn slightly into it. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to bring our knee up towards our hip and then come up slightly onto our elbow here. A bit like doing a crunch in the gym. And then we're going to go back to the start and repeat. So knee up towards the hip and then up onto the elbow and then back to the start.